What's inside that whale's mouth? I want to know. Let's go see. We're surviving the rain at Disneyland.
If it is raining later on, amen. Hallelujah. I get a break.
He's done. He's done. We're on day 2 and he's already done.
Well, you see the difference? I got a baby on my back. She doesn't.
That series was super quick. How long? 5 minutes? That's pretty good. The Genie Plus got us on in 5 minutes.
Less.
Less than that?
2.
Like 2 minutes? Wow.
Where to go, princess?
We're headed where?
We are headed home.
No.
Back to the hotel because my back hurts. There's a baby on my back and I have a headache. I'm dehydrated. Didn't get enough sleep last night. I got woken up way too early to go eat breakfast. Yeah.
We're gonna go back to our room and take a nap. We actually like to stay in the park so that way we can take a break, relax our feet, maybe get some food, get some sleep. So we're gonna take a little break and we'll come back later. Hopefully it's not raining by the time we go out. Okay, we're getting ready. We're doubling up on our jackets because it is cold. It's like 50 degrees here in California.
Oh, it's so hot.
Hero's on fire because he's wearing so many jackets. All right, but we're ready to go. Let's go, let's go. We're already in line for 2 rides.
Papa's wearing
We need to go.
Papa's wearing 3 jackets.
Let's go.
Going up.
It's my first time doing Disney in the rain. Disney in the rain. Disneyland in the dark. It is totally raining out here. It is raining. I've got 2 umbrellas.
Mommy, can you give me an umbrella?
Yes, I can hook you up with an umbrella, girl. It's raining and we have our umbrellas, but our stroller is totally soaked. So we're gonna go and see if we can find somewhere to dry off our stroller. And we also need food. Lots of people are leaving the park, so we'll see. We'll see how the rides are when it's raining. Okay, we ducked into the Jamba Juice to get some food because all the lines are really long and we're just really hungry and we don't want our kids to starve. So Jamba Juice it is. Here we are, trying to stay warm. It's raining and it is so pretty. Look around. Okay, but we're like legit, everybody's leaving the park, but we're walking towards it because we're hoping we can get on some rides. It's really pretty. We came prepared. We got our umbrellas and we're good to go. All right, so the parade starts in 3 hours and people are already lined up waiting for the parade in the rain. This is crazy. Everybody's wearing like these ponchos, see-through ponchos. And it's dark. So what are these people doing?
They are waiting 3.5 hours early for the parade. I think the parade starts at 9:30. So that's what they're waiting for.
That castle. Left. We stopped to eat a ronto. Himiko did not want the meat. He didn't want the little slaw, but I ate it all. I got this drink here. Just making it work.
A few minutes back, we
What?
got
Can you see it? It's pouring. It is pouring.
It's gonna rain harder soon.
Yeah. We're surviving the rain at Disneyland. Said go this way, past the ship. Here, run ahead, hero. Ay, Dios. Conmigo aquí, mira, ven. Lightning lane. So we've been in the lightning lane. We got in this line before our nap. So now we can just get on the ride. There's still a 45-minute wait, but for us it's gonna be like maybe 10 minutes max. Probably less.
Guess what?
Yeah.
We don't get to be, you know, wet.
We don't have to be wet. That's great.
Hello. Luis. You wanna go? Hello. Luis. You wanna go?
Come here, look. I am. Where are you at right now?
I think we're on Star Wars. No, we're not.
Be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. Push forward to fly out. Weapons are online.
Push your button, hero.
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coax out. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Okay.
Can you see the rain in the background?
Yes.
It's pouring here. It's like pouring at Disneyland. And we're out here. We're still going on the rides. The ride lines are way like cut in half. And people are running around with like ponchos on. It's a lot of fun.
Where are you at right now?
I don't even know what this place is called. It's like Star Wars. What?
I'm gonna go ahead and talk.
Oh, okay.
No, go ahead and talk. I'll wait.
Oh, I don't know what this place is called. Down by the restroom? Like the Star Wars place?
The restroom.
Huh.
By the
What's this place?
is that the Millennium Falcon?
I have no idea.
No, that's Darth Vader's ride, I think. That's Darth Vader's ride. It's pretty cool though.
I mean, I watched all the movies, but I don't remember anything. That's our kids.
That's our kid right there.
They're hiding under an umbrella. This is us. We have an umbrella too.
That's really clear, man.
Next Next up, Haunted Mansion.
Darth Vader ship.
Yeah, you really like that?
Ah.
All right, well, let's go, babe.
No, I want to look at it.
Oh, the rain's back? Oh, no, it's still going. It just doesn't feel as heavy. Look, watch this. Watch this. Can you see it? Look, record that. Record that, babe. Record it. There you go. Hey!
Yeah.
And look, there's this one. You see? Oh. Hold on, babe. I'm trying to show what this is.
Ah, it's just sleepy underwater goggles.
Yeah. Alright.
That's R2D2. That's the big one. That's not circle. That's R2D2 that is facing.
Which one's R2D2?
No, I know which one. Orange.
None of those are R2D2.
R2D2 now.
We gotta go this way. We gotta go this way. Haunted Mansion.
Not even a mouse.
What happened to a candy game?
By the chimney with care. Early that morning would cause such a scare. The children. Was soon covered by dawn. Erased, dark green pool. Nothing here was provided.
Balls of knowledge that answer the truth that is sure.
More tears to uncover.
Day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave.
Okay, tell me about that ride.
It was good.
You gotta like talk super loud because
It was good.
what's good about it?
We just went on the ride the night before Christmas. Or the Haunted Mansion. It was a Haunted Mansion and very fun. It was very fun. It's not haunted. Like, oh, there's not real ghosts. It's just a hologram. Yeah.
Ooh, a hologram.
You think?
There was a ghost in your chair.
Yeah, we had cookies. We ate those cookies.
Oh, nice.
The thing was covering Mommy's face. The glass.
Oh, I had some. I don't know. Okay. We're gonna do Enchanted Tiki Room.
Why is there a bunch of faces?
What faces?
There's birds'
Just a
faces.
friendly reminder to go ahead and look at the seat under you. If it's
Found it.
Okay.
I spelled my little eye pineapple. Right there. I spelled my little eye a. Oh, Mommy, can you find this? I spelled my little eye. A glowing eye.
Over there.
Oh man, how'd you know?
Aww.
It's your turn.
Honey.
Maybe we can make some noise when we come
Buenos dias, senorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Buenos dias, senorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo. Pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Himiko, we're on a mission.
For churros.
We're looking for churros.
And hot cocoa.
And hot cocoa.
There's a
Disney.
bunch of people here.
Did you get soaked?
No.
No, we were able to be at Disneyland when it was raining and we are dry. Okay, looking for the churros. It's that cart over there, I think. Come on. Well, we got 30 minutes till the fireworks.
Hi.
No, we can't cut, babe. Okay. Yeah, wait in line. That's what Disney's all about, waiting in line. You wait in line.
Pick it up.
Disney till midnight?
Disney till midnight. Disney till midnight.
Disney till 9:30? Disney till 9:30?
No.
Can you make sure the thing is locked?
Can I see your churro?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Some water.
No. Ow, ow, ow. There was a tree. I can't see nothing. Wait. Note to self. I see a tree.
Does your heart hold the magic of the holidays? Is it filled with warm memories just waiting to be discovered again?
Can you remember how Christmas makes you feel? That special magic in you.
We got the worst spot. Behind the tree. This is what we get for getting here 30 minutes before.
Hey, Hero's got a good view.
You gotta put the castle like you did in Japan.
It is.
Classes after your flight. Don't make me come after you, because I will. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it tight.
Hero, you're my pilot, babe?
Wait, is it me? Oh.
Himiko's on the other side.
Wait, what?
I know, sad day.
No, this is where they have the ferries. This is a ferry garden.
I need to come here, like during the day.
This is a fairy garden. What do you think?
You can go back in there.
I know we are. We're gonna go. What do you guys think? What do you think about this fairy garden?
I want to see more.
What?
We came when it was closed.
It was closed. No, really? Oh, this is beautiful though. Look at that little boat.
Oh, there's the ferry.
Did you see the ferry? That was nice. All right, we gotta wait for a ferry again. Whoa, 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 there's the ferry. What? Did you see the ferry? Whoa. Nice. Okay, what's happening?
Papa, we need to see this.
Why?
I've never seen this in my whole life, and I really want to go.
What
in
is
there.
it? What is it? Let's go back there. Show what is back there. We saw, Himiko and I saw the ferry.
Well, I've never been in here.
No, we saw the ferry. Himiko, did you see the ferry?
Yeah, I saw it. But there's a place in there that we can't even, well, we can kind of see it. Come on. Look. There's like a viewing of something. Look at the hole. There's a ferry. There's like a fairy garden in there. You gotta look. You gotta look. Look in the hole.
Look at the mushroom. Papa, can I show everybody a mushroom?
There is a mushroom right here. There's a mushroom. We need to go in there. I've never seen this ever in my whole life. I didn't even know this was here. Can we come tomorrow?
Sure.
What time is it? Babe, what time is it?
It's time for us to get out of here.
Time to leave.
Look at the teacups.
You want it?
Wait, should we do the teacups or no?
No, they're closed. They're...
Oh yeah, we could go on that little that train. Come on. Leave it there. Bring my bag. Okay, come on.
Go, babe.
No lines.
Wait, one of us could sit in the back?
No, that's
Look, we're gonna end up having to go through that waterfall.
There's a back waterfall.
We're gonna go under the water. Oh my
Under the water.
Babe, we're gonna get soaked on this ride.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna use Papa's as a shield.
Papa's gonna be your shield?
I'm gonna use Mommy as a shield.
Oh no.
But
I'm
also
gonna
mine.
use you as a shield.
Well, you know what? I'm actually gonna use my jacket because I'm using this. Because I'm wearing this.
We're nice and toasty. We're not cold.
Before travel,
To our right is London Park. Yes, indeed, the same London Park or Peter Pan further.
Oh,
But their friends picked up Olaf and the elephant found Rosie and twisting everywhere. Up ahead is a small elephant village and featured Geppetto. Everyone's created a pathway to Pets to become a World War Century. And when you know they saved just to be about mannequins, we are not all of them.
I guess we didn't.
Here aboard our storybook ride. But don't worry, here at Disneyland, magic never really ends.
That wasn't a long time like Mommy
Everybody
expected.
see the next one.
Hey, real quick. How old were you when you first came to Disneyland?
What?
How old were you when you first came to Disneyland?
In my 20s.
You were 20?
Yeah,
Well,
in
'cause
my
you-
20s.
Because you didn't come to America till you were like a teen. So I want to know how old you were.
I was 11 years old. So I was 11 when I came to the US.
Uh-huh.
So I was probably in my 20s, probably 23. The first time I probably came to Disney was with you.
With me?
Yeah.
I brought you to Disneyland?
Yeah, that was the first time you came too.
No, was it?
Yeah, it was. All right, have fun, guys. You guys don't need us anymore, right?
Please remain seated standing where you are facing forward at all times. If you are standing, do not attempt.
It's so important to have a stroller for the kids because they get tired when they're walking, and we're walking everywhere at Disneyland. There's also a great place for them to sit and also sleep, and you just can never go wrong with one. It keeps you out of the rain. You're gonna get it.
Why are you using this stroller? It's supposed to be for the kids.
Max capacity 300. I can sit on it.
Oh gosh.
It's for me. It's my stroller.
That's a double stroller, by the way, guys. It's a double stroller. You having fun?
It's a good seat.
It is?
Yeah, it's good. Bye!
Okay, all right. So we're gonna record you to see if you are the chosen one. Are you the chosen one? You gotta pull it up. You gotta pull up the sword, babe. Oh no, you're not the prince. You're not the chosen one. No. All right, go, Himiko. Go.
She's not gonna do it.
Are you gonna do it? Oh! Are you gonna do it? No!
Let me go. Let's both do it. I'm gonna
Oh, but okay, both of you guys do it at the same time. Both of you guys do it at the same time. No! This is like the old Thor's hammer. You know what I mean? If you get to pull it up, you get to be
Thor.
like the king, like King Arthur. All right, here we go.
Let's take a picture.
I've been taking pictures. Have a picture right there?
We made it to 11:30. I know we said we were gonna go till 12 a.m., but I'm getting hungry and we need to go to bed. So we'll come back tomorrow, day 3. We did it, we made it. We made, huh?
There.
We made it to midnight. What time is it?
It's 12:06.
12:06. We stopped for food. We're on our way to our hotel. Just stopping by to say good night.
Good night. He is out. Good boy. Look at Santa Claus.